Guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing well. So welcome to our YouTube channel. We are back again with a new video. So today's video is very interesting. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and please press the bell icon for the latest updates. Basically, this is our new YouTube channel, so it's my request to subscribe our YouTube channel to join our YouTube family. So in this channel, you will find very interesting technical tutorials. So in today's video, I will tell you the best features of FM WhatsApp. FM WhatsApp is basically a crack version of WhatsApp application. So on FM WhatsApp, you can find very interesting, very interesting and very beautiful security features. So in this video I will guide you. So basically FM WhatsApp is a crack version of simple WhatsApp, so that's why this is not available on Play Store. This is available on Chrome. So in APK file you simply need to write here FM WhatsApp APK download. So you can see the result of this search. You simply need to open this tab, and now here you can download the FM WhatsApp APK. So you have many options here. You just need to install simple FM WhatsApp APK. The size of FM WhatsApp is 51 MB, version 4.1, Android requirement, cost freeware. So total downloads 1 lakh plus. So I already download this WhatsApp, so that's why I am opening the WhatsApp account. So now I will tell you the best security features of FM WhatsApp. So now you can see if your friend is online, then you can see the online option of your friends. And now I am telling you the best security feature of this WhatsApp. You can freeze your last scene. Now I freeze the last scene. So I am online, but my on my online status, my WhatsApp is showing that I am offline from WhatsApp. Anti-view once. So I also set the privacy that if I send message to my friend, secret messages, so when he's seen the message, then message will be automatically deleted. And I also disable the forward. Nobody can forward my message to anybody. Who can call me, I also manage that. Who can call me, my contacts expect select contacts, means you according to your friend circle you can select here that who can call you. Custom privacy is also available. You can see hide view status is also available. I enable it. Anti delete status is also available. Means if your friend put a status on WhatsApp and he delete the status after 1 hour 2 hour, the status will be showing you for 1 day. So that's the also one of the most best feature of this WhatsApp. Show blue ticks after reply. So when your friend send you a message, then if you seen the message, then there is no blue tick until you didn't give the reply to your friend. So also you can manage every kind of privacy here. You can see WhatsApp lock, fingerprint pattern, everything is available. So I suggest this WhatsApp if you are looking for privacy. So this is the best WhatsApp. So I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So thank you so much. See you in next video. Guide you how to use the best security features of FM WhatsApp. So now I am starting the video. So let's see.